Welcome to my channel. 1 light-year sounds tiny across cosmic scale. To astronomers, it acts as an eternal cage, locking human civilization inside. All romantic visions of interstellar travel, alien civilizations and space colonization shatter completely when faced with the true scale of 1 light-year. 1 light-year equals roughly 9.46 trillion kilometers. This number defies everyday imagination. We can put it in perspective with common earthbound speeds. Commercial airliners fly at around 900 kilometers per hour. Covering 1 light-year would take over 1.2 million years of non-stop flight. Put another way, if a plane took off when human ancestors first walked upright on African savannas, it would still not have covered even a tiny fraction of 1 light-year by today. The fastest human-made object, and farthest traveler from Earth, is Voyager 1. Launched in 1977, it has drifted through space for nearly half a century. Boosted by planetary gravity slingshots, it reaches around 17 kilometers per second relative to the Sun. It could fly from Beijing to Shanghai in less than 40 seconds. Even at this incredible cosmic speed, covering 1 light-year would take nearly 18,500 years. Entire recorded human history spans only around 5,000 years. If we launched a ship at this speed right now, human civilization would go through multiple cycles before it finishes that 1 light-year journey. This is the first layer of despair. The physical ceiling of speed traps humanity firmly within the solar system. Some argue, future tech advances will bring faster ships like fusion engines and antimatter engines. Let us push the ideal value to the absolute limit. Suppose humans fully master controlled nuclear fusion and boost ship speed to 1% of light speed, or 3,000 kilometers per second. This level sits far beyond current technical capabilities. Even so, covering 1 light-year still takes a full 100 years. A Vinci-rolled astronaut boarding the ship would turn 120 by the time they reach a target 1 light-year away. A single human lifespan cannot support such a mission. Even if speed increases tenfold to 10% of light speed, crossing 1 light-year still takes 10 years. This timeline may finally fall within acceptable human lifespan. It leads to the second layer of despair. Energy and structural limits form an unbreakable physical dead end. Required energy rises exponentially as speed increases. Accelerating a 10,000-ton spacecraft to 10% of light speed consumes as much energy as the entire human civilization generates in decades. This is completely unimaginable with current energy utilization levels. More critically, space is not a perfect vacuum. Interstellar space fills with tiny dust particles and hydrogen atoms. These particles pose no threat at low speeds. When a ship travels near light speed, a single dust grain hits with kinetic energy equal to a heavy bomb. No known material can withstand constant impacts of this level. The ship would be riddled with holes by cosmic dust, long before it reaches 1 light-year away. This is not the most suffocating part. The real ultimate shackle comes from an unchangeable cosmic law. Light speed cannot be surpassed. Einstein's theory of relativity long defined the universal speed limit. No object with rest mass can ever reach light speed. As speed approaches light speed, object mass approaches infinity. The energy required to push it forward also approaches infinity. This is not a bottleneck breakable by technology. It's a limitation set by the laws of physics themselves. It locks out any possibility of faster-than-light travel at the most fundamental rule level. 1 light-year is negligible on the cosmic macro scale. Proxima Centauri, the closest star to the Sun, sits 4.22 light-years away. The Milky Way galaxy stretches 100,000 to 200,000 light-years across. Yet humans can barely cross even this single light-year, right at our cosmic doorstep. It feels like being trapped on a deserted island. Endless ocean stretches out in all directions. The person cannot even swim to a reef just a few hundred meters away. Even if humans build ships capable of 1% light speed in the future, messages sent back to Earth from 1 light-year away take a full year to arrive. Instructions sent from Earth back to the ship take another year. The round trip creates a 2-year delay. This natural space-time separation makes remote control, interstellar rescue and civilization coordination completely impractical. Once a ship departs, it cuts off entirely from home civilization. It becomes a lonely drifter in the vast universe. Worse still, the universe expands at an accelerating rate. Galaxies farther away from us move away faster. Celestial bodies we see 1 light-year away today will sit even farther tomorrow. Humans chase technical limits desperately, only to find targets receding at speeds we can never match. One day, all galaxies outside the solar system will disappear completely from human observable view, due to cosmic expansion. We will be trapped forever in this tiny star region. Even our broad view of the starry sky will be slowly taken away by the universe. Many grow up with dreams of interstellar travel, alien colonization, and galaxy exploration. Reality gives us the coldest possible answer. Human civilization will most likely stay trapped in the solar system forever. We have spent thousands of years in explosive tech development, and accumulated all our technical power. We may still not make it past even 1 light year right at our doorstep. This is the deepest sense of helplessness and despair astronomers feel when facing the concept of 1 light year. Beneath this despair lies a solemn heroism unique to human civilization. Precisely because 1 light year is so far, and the universe so vast, the starry sky above humanity grows ever more precious. We cannot fly out of the solar system, yet we can see ancient starlight from billions of light years away through telescopes. We cannot cross the physical distance of 1 light year, yet we can deduce the operating laws of the entire universe with mathematical formulas. Our bodies are trapped on this tiny blue planet, yet our minds have already crossed countless light years of distance. The despair of 1 light year sets off the bravery of human civilization by contrast. We know the road ahead is unreachable. We still keep building faster rockets and more powerful telescopes. We know life is as fleeting as dust. We still gaze up at the starry sky persistently, and search for the ultimate answers of the universe.